Hello everybody, this is Julio Mendez. I'm a realtor broker with Royal LePage West and I'm part of Team West. Today I'm going to give you a walk through 3 Michael Power Place Unit 2406 in the heart of Islington City Center West. So without further ado, let's go and check it out. Let's go. Welcome to 2406 3 Michael Power Place. This unit is in the heart of Islington City Center West in Etobicoke. This building is 8-minute walk to Islington subway station and 12-minute walk to Kipling station and GO station. There is a community park just a few minutes away by foot, as well as restaurants and groceries within a short walking distance. Elementary public school is only an 8-minute walk, and there are 2 Catholic school options as well. This unit is 660 square feet with a spacious den that has been used as a bedroom. The unit has ceramic and laminate flooring. The kitchen offers stainless steel dishwasher, fridge, stove, and microwave for your convenience. Kitchen and living room have an open concept. The living room is spacious and you can walk out to the balcony from here. There is a laundry room with washer and dryer for your convenience. Primary bedroom is spacious. There is a full bathroom just 2 steps away from the bedroom. From the balcony you can enjoy amazing views of downtown and the lake as this unit is facing south. This condo includes a locker as well as a corner parking spot. This building offers great amenities such as a movie theater, party room, swimming pool and sauna, exercise room, and of course, visitor parking and concierge 24/7. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more properties like this one, check out our website teamwest.ca or give us a shout to the number below. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.